Hello viewer, if you struggling with email receiving problem, let's see how to fix email not receiving. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out app section. Go to apps. Now search Gmail app. Go to Gmail app. Now scroll down, click on Gmail storage. From the lower right corner, clear cache data from Gmail app. Now go back and follow the second step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Gmail app. Go to Gmail app. From here, make sure your Gmail app is updated. If your Gmail app is not updated, please update your Gmail app. After complete the update process, please follow the next step. Open your Gmail app. Now click on 3 line from the left top corner. Now scroll down. Check your spam folder. This is the most common reason for a missing email. Now go back. Now click on profile icon from the top right corner. Now click on storage. From here, please check your email storage. Most email services have a storage limit. Gmail gives you 15 GB shared across Gmail Drive and Photos. So if you hit this limit, new email will bounce back to the sender as undeliverable. So if you reach this limit, please free up your email storage. And finally, please make sure your internet connection is stable, because sometimes unstable internet connection can occur email not receiving problem. So please follow this step to fix email not receiving problem.